There are the pretty flowers. Big flowers. There's big giant leaves over here, too. There. There's a butterfly back there somewhere. It's flying too crazy though to get it. And there's a grasshopper right there. Get a better shot of it. There's one right there. Little grasshopper. There's a ton of these in here. Ton of these in like this flower area. Yeah. What you looking at? Pretty flower?
This bug right here. What
What?
kind of bug it is? This big bug.
Big giant bee. Got a big giant butt too. Yeah, it's near the flower. Are those tulips? What are those? Pretty yellow flowers. Well, see if we can find any more creatures for the bugs. We have Myra right here. Good doggy. You looking too? You looking too? Whoa!
So what are you talking about? See, extending this works. I should have been extending this, guys. Extendo magic works.
Yeah, and I'm getting video of Myra.
We should go back where those flowers were.
Yeah.
Stupid keys are in an annoying spot.
Woo! Look at how tall those trees are.
Those are pine trees.
Pine trees.
Little...
Oh yeah, baby. And there's like a picnic table back there.
Oh, you're filming now?
Yeah!
Good job. You did bring your phone?
No, this is Isaac's phone.
Oh, okay.
Still, I'm filming on his
You
phone.
guys need to get one of these things that I have. It's so cheap.
Well, you said not to bring my phone after a while, so.
Oh, but yeah, it was your idea. You can't blame me. You can't blame me for that. I just went along with your silliness.
Walking down the trail. Walking down the trail. And there's another butterfly if I can get it. Wow.
We're on the quest for the elusive butterfly.
Yeah. Pretty flowers. Pretties. Bunch of pretty things. Pretty different things.
Good area.
There's trees.
You should have stuck with
Some bark.
that one section where I said it was trampled down.
Yeah.
You never know, there might be some in this. There was a bunch in that one section.
Yeah, there's a butterfly right there.
Where?
There's some flying around in there.
Where is it? You got good eyes.
It's hiding in there. Well, anyways.
You got good eyes, man.
And this leaves right here. And Myra.
Apple blossoms or something?
Good dog. Ooh. Lovely.
Go hunting over here.
Hunting for the bugs. The different kind of bugs. Got different views of this. Because some broken trees. Lags. Broken down trees. Ooh, those purple flowers are nice. Ooh.
You belong in the wildflowers. You belong
Ooh. What kind of bug is that?
What you mean? What you talking about?
Creepy
Where?
bug right there.
I don't see
There.
it. Oh, yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
this
I don't know what kind of bug
I found something.
I think you're going this
That's
way.
for sure.
Let's see around near these wildflowers.
Near the wildflowers, found a butterfly. Hope I got that on camera. Okay. Woohoo! I had to step on something. Okay. Look at food.
I don't know if this the pro video is the way to go.
Got a grasshopper hopping. Hiding in there. Woo! Tree stump. Bunch of things going on. Including Mara. And the cars driving by back there.
Where?
Different camera angles.
I'm gonna try to sneak up on it if I can get close to it. Problem. Okay, don't hold on. Let me do it with my stick.
Okay.
Gimmick.
I will.
Wow, they're so sensitive.
You try to find where that butterfly is. I don't think I got it on camera, but how you doing, bruh?
Dude.
Yeah. Look it up there.
I
Woo.
don't know if the pro video. In fact, I'm gonna stop this. And I'm gonna go back one.
Okay.
I'm gonna quickly see what the pro video looks like. Actually, the pro video is pretty nice.
Woohoo!
Why are you not there?
There. Flying around. Whoa. Okay. Anyways. Well, you hot over there? You hot, Fry? Oh, I was just talking about Mara.
I switched it back to the regular video feed. It was a grasshopper. This section doesn't have any flowers. Try to get that feed out. Oh, what's that part?
Also a bunch of bugs crawling on the tree. Here, if any want to show up. Alright. Walking along the trail. We can't ever fail. Whoa! There was a butterfly somewhere. Following these two. Okay. Huh?
Some figs on the trees.
Wow! There's still some figs on the trees.
Found a fig tree?
Yep. Here's a fig tree.
If you watch closely, you can find a stick bug.
Yeah.
Looks like we got
Ooh.
little cocoons with the butterflies probably.
Yeah. There's also this. Hey! holes in the tree. Maybe something lives in there. I know they out there. I know they out for some of these. Woo! If you wondered what the inside of a nut looks like, where'd it go? Trying to find it. Yeah, there it is. Inside of a nut. That's what it looks like. Whoa! Inside of a nut. And there's a butterfly. There. Wow. Go running. Over the hills. Look at those. Beautiful. Beautiful. They're furry little pink flowers. Fuzzy. And then you got like some of the wheat stuff right here. Yellow flowers back there. And white flowers. You gotta be in it.
Yep.
So you keep your camera on it.
Yep.
I'm gonna get a different angle.
Doing its work.
Show up.
Gathering. Pollen.
Butterfly back there. While that's going on. There it is. There it is. It's doing its job. Wow. And then there's another one back here.
It's almost like you gotta wait. Just let them land on it.
Yeah.
It's been long enough. You probably can't.
Half of this pretty kind of flower. Yeah. Boy. Wow. Wow. Okay. Anyways. And then there's these nice red leaves back here. Oh my god! Now that's a lucky find. Right there. Can zoom in enough. Got three butterflies on that flower. Some flying around too. Oh my god. See if you can spot.
I have it on my lens.
Woohoo! Mara, you liking the bugs here too? You liking the park? You're happy? Get to walk at the park? Yeah. Look at your little happy face. Look,
That's just a way for them to come.
bunch of birds flying.
Really good shot I just got.
Yeah.
They're like those purple flowers right there.
Whoa. Whatever. That's a really big
Look at how red this thing is.
thing of berries. Poisonous berries.
It's like rhubarb or something.
Rhubarb. The rhubarbs. Okay.
But that's how you can get red paint right from that. Red pigment.
Red pigment.
There's tons on that bush right there.
Oh. Wow. Oh. There's something going on. You know what I mean? Some bugs on here on this white flower. That flower's so. Ooh. Oh. Jeez. What you looking at? Looking at this tree? Seeing there if there's anything on it. There's like the inside of an acorn. Woohoo! And then a mushroom stem right here. Something's growing. Something's growing. You got tons of things around here. Another look at the inside of a nut. The inside of these are nuts. Alright. Look like a bunch of nostrils. Look like a bunch of nostrils or owls. This one's shaped interesting. Shaped weird. Get this. Got this log right here. Log. The ants going up the tree. There's the ants going up the tree. Better catch any. Look at the texture of that thing. Yeah. Being rid of them. This kind of stick. Then you get this kind of stick. Well, yeah. You get these flowers. Woo! Seems like a long journey. Seems like a long journey. Woo! I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is.
Looks like somebody went in there and put it in there though.
Yeah, some white thing.
Maybe it's some kind of observatory.
I don't know.
Scientific experiment.
Wow, those branches coming down from that tree is interesting. Sheesh. Like Happy Halloween all over again. Yeah. Yeah. I hear the birdies. I hear birdies. I just knew you were gonna go on the side. Yeah. La la la.